In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and export passwords from iCloud Keychain. So first is importing password. The truth is whenever you log in into any social media platforms or any app on your phone, and whenever your iPhone's system detects that a new password or passkey is being entered, you will get a prompt like this that asks if you want to create a passkey, and for you to be able to import this new password, select passwords and press continue. You will also be prompted to verify with your Face ID or passcode. And just by that, this new password for this account will be saved in your iCloud. Now, in exporting your passkeys or passwords from iCloud Chain, Apple doesn't let you export passkeys as CSV or transfer them manually, and this prevents anyone from copying or stealing your login credentials. Go to Settings, then go to Apps. Next, from the list of your apps, scroll until you see the Passwords app and click on it. Next is scroll down until you see Open Passwords, then select it. And once inside, you will get an access to all your passkeys and passwords saved on your device. Now from here, open up the passkey that you would like to export. And here, the easiest way for you to export a copy of this passkey is by airdropping it. You can simply click on the airdrop and enter in your passcode. So now you just need another iOS device to share this data with. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!